everyone, this is Ghadieh from Star Motors Mercedes. Today I want to talk to you about the 2020 Range Rover Sport P400 HST model. So this is inline 6 double turbocharged, 395 horsepower. It's a 3.0 liter engine. So this is a stunning combination color, of course, with a black exterior and beautiful leather interior. It is fully loaded, nice panoramic sunroof, also touchscreen, plus you have the heads-up display. The mileage is very low, it's only 19,600 kilometers. So Range Rover Luxurious usually comes with a lot of options, but one really cool option is the fridge inside. So for consultation or test drive, please contact us at Star Motors of Ottawa. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Ghadieh.